ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लगातार जारी है और हम एक बार फिर से आपको लिए चलते हैं कि क्या तैयारियां हैं। चूंकि अपडेट का अनाउंसमेंट कुछ देर में हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसके पहले जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बड़ी बातें सुनिए।
ECA Night, as I mentioned, will be containing all the 40 different applications integrated in a seamless manner. In another initiative to enhance transparency, the postal ballots will be counted 2 rounds before the EVMs. Similarly, all the statistics relating to the elections shall be available through ECI Net itself within 72 hours of counting being over. In case of any difference because of typographical errors between 17C, which is given at the polling stations, to all the polling agents who are present, and the EVM count, if there is a difference, the VVPATs of that EVM shall mandatorily be counted. Similarly, after the counting is over, the losing candidate can prefer, after prescribed payment of fee, checking of the EVM along with VVPAT counting. In order to ensure that the entire process is done similarly at all the polling stations, a gigantic training effort has been undertaken by the Election Commission of India by training officers right down to booth level officers by the Commission itself. The booth level agents were also trained, of course the police officers, the DEOs, the communication officers, and this capacity building exercise had been piloted by India International Institute for Democracy and Election Management, IIDM, which is run by the Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India also trains officers of more than 100 countries concurrently. In order to have a substantial dialogue and engagement with the stakeholders, the Commission adopted a consultative and collaborative approach by which more than 4,700 all-party meetings were held by all the returning officers, DEOs and CEOs of this country. Similarly, the Election Commission of India also invited all the national and state-level political parties to have such meetings, and more than 28 such meetings have already taken place. There has been national conference with legal councils and interactions with field-level beneficiaries, that is booth-level officers, EROs, DEOs, during the state visits. There have been other host of new initiatives which have been mentioned here, totaling to number 30. These slides will be there, and the Commission has been extremely proactive, transparent, efficient and consultative in its approach to ensure that the experience of election is much more pleasant to our prime stakeholder, that is the elector.